At OneRail, we believe small actions create big change. Together, we turn generosity into impact, gathering over 2,400 boxes of cereal, each box a small act of kindness, set to feed families in need. Like dominoes, small actions can trigger powerful outcomes. Watch as kindness spreads through our halls, each box pushing forward hope. Today, we celebrate more than a number. We celebrate the difference we can make together. Because kindness isn't just what we do, it's who we are. Small gestures, extraordinary impact. That's the OneRail way. Congratulations, OneRail. Thanks to your generosity, we're delivering smiles, one cereal box at a time.